Tyler, what are you doing? What are you on there, man? We're at Brookstone and you are getting your massage on, huh? How does it feel? Luscious.
Okay.
All right.
I'm trying to
control it.
Try to land it to you.
Oh dear. Oh.
I'm ready to land.
You are a... Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Okay, Cayenne.
Okay, give me it.
I think it's Jaden's turn.
Come and play with me.